What up, y'all? It's your boy E, back again with another video. As you can see, we're at the Alibaba Co-Create Conference. This is their first time that they did it, so we really didn't know what to expect. But anytime we come to these conferences, we learn so much. It's a little bit different than the conferences that we've been showing you on YouTube, but we're gonna go in, we're gonna check out some of the other vendors out there, and we're gonna see what we can do and what we can learn. So as you guys can see, they have these dope installations. It's a lot different than what you would expect at like sourcing or magic. It's less about finding suppliers and it's more so about connecting with people. I think for them, this is, we talked to some of the guys on the staff and they said that this is something that they just planned out and this is their first one, so they're gonna learn and get better. But yeah, let's go check out some of the rooms. So this is their room of all of the factories, and we actually came here yesterday, and the only thing is the factories are a little bit random, so if you're looking to make apparel, I don't know if this is the best trade show for you, but if you want to make crazier stuff like air fresheners, I mean, my boy over there with the keyboards, they got Alan, my boy with the jewelry, y'all gonna see him in a little bit. They got literally everything. So it's not really necessarily like an apparel show, but I think it is really good if you want to learn how to source products from overseas and you want to meet new people and connect with people. I think this is a really good show for that. This is their main stage here at Alibaba, and it's similar to a TED Talk where they break down their new products, they teach you a lot of new stuff, and a lot of times when I come to these trade shows, I'm always so focused on how can I make money, how can I monetize relationships, how can I find the plug. But at this show, I really learned a lot because I was in these rooms, and as a college dropout, I'm not cut out from the same fabric as a lot of these guys. So for example, like yesterday we had dinner with the CTO of Alibaba, which is a multi-billion-dollar company, and he was giving me personal advice on how I can manage better, how I can do better, how I can grow the company. And if I didn't come to this event and I wasn't in that room, I wouldn't have met the guy. So a lot of times when you come to these conferences, remember, it's not just about trying to make a quick buck. Sometimes it's a slow burn and building that relationship. All right, guys, so we just pulled up to Alibaba. This is their sourcing expo, and we're gonna go interview some of the vendors. I'm with Hannah from Alibaba. This is their social media creator. So let's go interview them.
Let's do it.
My boy, Alan, what's up, bro? You been good?
Cool.
Cool? You ready for me, huh?
Sure.
We're about to hip. I brought my friend Hannah though.
Hi. We know each other. We go back.
Okay. So what do you do?
We do lab-grown diamonds. Yeah, and lab-grown diamond jewelry.
Okay, cool. They pass a diamond tester?
Yes.
They do? Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
How much is something like this?
Something like this. This one is several thousand.
Several thousand. What is several thousand? That's like 10,000, 8,000, 2,000, 1,000? Ballpark.
Around I think under 10,000.
Under 10,000?
Okay,
Yeah.
and is it cheaper for us to come buy from you than in the States? What's the range there for prices?
Yes. Of course, you buy from me will be cheaper than any jewelry store in USA. Of course.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what is the minimum for something like this?
Just one.
Just one?
Just
Oh,
one.
only
yeah,
one.
one
Only
to
one.
go. Yeah.
There you go.
What happened to the pendant? We need the 6'9" pendant.
Oh, you need a shark pendant? Okay. Yeah.
This is actually.
See the shark.
Wow, you guys see this? So they can customize stuff like this too?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
And how much is this?
This one is about 1,000 also. Yeah.
$1,000, that's it?
Yeah.
You sure it's gonna pass a diamond tester, right? I ain't trying to get finessed.
Okay, you can take the pen.
So I'm rocking with the 2 diamonds. That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
My next.
This 2 diamond is called TMOid. In French means you and me.
How many carats?
This is around 6 carat each.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how much does it cost for the whole set?
For the wholesale, I think it's about 18,000.
Okay, get a close up of this. This is 18,000. That's actually
Yeah.
crazy. This is like Emeralda's ring.
Yeah.
If you know.
You know, 6 carat plus 6 carat total 12 carat. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Insane.
That's it. Yeah.
And this is good for the diamond tester too?
Yeah, sure.
Can we try one on?
The ring?
Yeah, can we?
Sure.
Yeah, I want to see it.
Yeah, of course.
I want to put it on.
Of course. It's my pressure.
This is the ring that all the girls want?
Yeah, I mean,
Oh, wow.
if you know, you know.
I don't know, so.
This is like Emily Ratajkowski, her ring, the double.
Which?
Bro, you gotta get on one knee.
Yeah. Come on.
Okay.
Propose.
Yeah.
Okay.
My boy Alan, let's
Okay.
go.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Accept it. If you're giving this ring, I'm accepting. Okay, you guys, this goes crazy, actually. Look at that. That's actually insane.
How much would this be like in the States?
Probably like 700 grand.
Wow.
Like actually. Yeah.
You could
Would you
save
say, right?
$650,000 by shopping with my boy Alan.
Yeah, thank you.
If you guys wanted to find my boy Alan and you want to go crazy with the 6'9" pendant piece or the $650,000 ring, you can find him right here. Obviously, you could also find him on Alibaba.com. I never thought I'd be doing this, but y'all see the exotic dog, you know what I'm saying? This ain't even a dog. This is really like a mixture of a lion and a rat. And then, you know, I got 6'9" chain on me right now. So if I wanted to do like a custom denim jean like this, right?
Yeah.
At a 2-piece minimum, how much is it gonna charge? How much is it gonna cost us?
Like these ones, if we making the price like, okay, if like 50 pieces, the $85.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So either 1,000 pieces is 64.95 is.
How much would it be for one piece of this?
The one piece samples, like say if for one piece sample, maybe we charge like $80.
$80, that's
yeah,
it? Well, if they wanted to find you, how could they get your information?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, you can charge. This is my boss, the SIM card. Also, we can charge it on the here. You can enter inside our shop.
So the one thing I love about the Alibaba.com platform is that when you go to these other trade shows, you gotta get on WeChat, you gotta get on WhatsApp. But guess what? When you come here, they got it on the screen and they got a whole website, they got a whole portal. So it literally goes from like finding the factory to boom, having a website, not having to do all the other hoopla. So that's really what's dope about this. How did you find them?
Alibaba. And the confirmation for me to work with them was when I ordered from a brand, and that brand shipped directly from China, from the factory. So when I saw the address and what the factory said, oh, they produce for this brand, that was a confirmation for me to work.
So you did some FBI shit. You put 2 and 2 together, right?
Yeah.
So if your girl ever cheating on you, you're gonna find out.
Somewhat, yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, so I've been working with them for the past 4 years.
What is, for somebody that's like just buying blanks and buying like streetwear clothes and printing on blanks, right?
Yeah.
What is your one advice to them on how they can convert from just getting a Gildan shirt and screen printing a logo to actually making custom cut and sew pieces in another country where they don't speak your language? Like, what is your one tip or 2 tips that you have for that?
It's relationships. Like, look at me and this factory. We have a relationship. I've been to China 4 times, and so anything I say, like, they know, and they're capable of doing that for me. So I think the most important thing is building that relationship and having a good, communication, being able to communicate your ideas to them. I think it's a good start to print on blanks as you grow your brand. So that maybe once you have the customers and you have the outlet to make your sales, you can move on to stuff being manufactured overseas. Because they do all the work for you.
Yeah.
You concentrate on your ideas and being creative, and you send them off so they can do the work for you.
Did you ever print on blanks?
I never did.
You never did?
I'm a denim brand.
Denim brand?
So I've now just started doing like prints. But it's all cut and sew. Like that's how I started my brand.
So a lot of my customers, right, they're like 18, 19. You know these kids, they don't want to work a job. They don't want to work at Waffle House. And they come to me and say, I want to start a brand overseas, but I only got $100, $200. So when you started, how did you accumulate that bankroll, and then what did you do to manage that? Because I think that's something that a lot of people don't understand.
Okay, so I didn't start from scratch. The thing is, I have a clothing store. So like already had the funds available. Let's say if I didn't have that, right? With this factory, as you can see, MOQ is real low. So you could pretty much get a sample made for a certain amount, maybe like $100, maybe resell that sample, times 4 times whatever, you know what I mean? And then from there, you could you work your way up. You always have to start from the bottom, right? Instead of dreaming too big, saying, oh, I need to get a loan and all that, start from the bottom. It's taken me 4 years to be able to produce as much stuff as I want. Not only because I have the finances, but also growing as a brand.
And you have the customers.
Exactly.
So I think a lot of you guys out here that don't want to print on blanks and you want to make more custom dripped out pieces like this or like this brands right here, right? This factory right here, they have a minimum of 2 pieces. So here's what you can do. You can go and make your samples, and then y'all are kids, y'all are smart. Do the pre-order method. Go get Fly, go take the photos, throw it up online, and then set up a Shopify store, and then get them orders in, take that money, and go get your bulk order and make your money that way. So that's a way for a lot of you guys out here that you ain't got nothing but $100. Now you can start. All right, I'm with my boy right now. This is the craziest factory that I found here. They have the craziest jerseys. What would be the MOQ for this soccer jersey right here?
So for the factory that we have like a kind of very flexible ordering and production solution. So for something like these jerseys, you can order from 10 pieces.
10 pieces. And how much would it be for 10 pieces shipped to my door?
For something like this, you can give a cost including shipping and taxes around like $18. They will land, yeah.
1.8?
1.8, yeah.
Damn, that's crazy. So guys, this right here, 10 pieces, $18 shipped to your door, customized, and look how crazy, and look at the details on this. Okay, for all my hoopers out there, right?
Yeah.
You be hooping?
Yeah.
You be hooping? You think you could beat me in basketball? I seen you had the shoes on.
Yeah, I think pretty much I can very easy. I can take you down.
You want to go put some money on it or what?
There's no problem. You can challenge me, no problem. Yeah.
Okay. So for this right here, this is if you guys can't see, this is actually pants in here too, right? The full set. What's the MOQ on it?
Same. We can start like the MOQ of like a 10 sets. Yeah.
And DDP shipped to your door. How much is it?
For something like in 10 set with this kind of product, we can have a rough price of about $30.
$30.
Yeah.
So guys, for only $30, you can drip out your whole terrible AAU team. And you guys might not be putting up buckets, but you'll be looking fly. So y'all go check them out. If they want to find you, how could they find you?
You can like.
You got WeChat?
Yeah, we have WeChat. Also, like also we can like reach out through like Alibaba.
So this is one of the best things that I like. Hannah's gonna explain it to you guys in a second. Is that when you go see these other vendors, you gotta download WeChat. But Hannah's gonna show you where you can find him online on the website, and it's a lot easier.
Okay, so you go into Alibaba.com, type in Elite, and you can see all of Healy's products just right then and there. It's so easy. It shows literally everything. All the MOQs, prices, all the customization. It's easy as that. No more WeChat, just go onto Alibaba.com.
A lot of you guys come out to these shows and you're always trying to make something for your clothing brand. But guess what? You can get a cup like this and you could put a big company logo on it like a Bank of America and Chase, and you can middleman those orders to these bigger companies. What would be the MOQ on this cup right here?
For this one, if you want to put your logo on it, usually it's 100 pieces.
100 pieces. And how much would 100 pieces be?
Price?
Yeah, the price, like per cup.
Well, it really depends on the shipping, Maybe you are in different parts of USA, right?
Yeah.
And also depends on your logo. Maybe your logo is a smaller one and the price will be lower.
Can you give us a general idea though, like a general
idea?
Yeah, general ideas, just so they have an idea of what they can make.
Maybe $5 to $6.
Landed.
Yeah.
So guys, you could buy this for $5 to $6. You could middleman it to like, again, a Bank of America, a larger school, a larger company, because they're gonna want promo products to give away to their high value clients, or they're gonna want products internally to give to their employees. You can make this for $5 to $6, and then you can go and sell it to those companies for $10, make your $4, don't carry no inventory, don't even have to worry about growing a page or having content. It's literally a middleman flip. So whenever you come to these shows, think about stuff like that too, is that you not always gotta make stuff for your brand, you could also make a little middleman cut. But thank you so much. If they wanted to find out your information, where could they go?
Yeah, this is
Right here.
This is our business card.
Business card. So you guys go tap in. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
All right, so what do you guys sell adult diapers?
Yes, adult diapers for women, for men, especially for old women.
Old women.
People. Yeah, old people.
What's the MOQ on something like this?
No MOQ.
No
One
MOQ.
piece will be okay.
Can I have one that I can try on? Yeah. I got a 4-hour flight, I don't like getting up and down in the bathroom, you know what I'm saying?
Sorry.
Y'all remember when the baby first came out, he used to wear a diaper on South by Southwest? Well, guess what? If he was really about it, he could make his own custom diaper. And if you want to do your own custom diaper and go crazy and go viral, you can find this contact right here. We stay giving y'all free game, and now we gave y'all free plugs to the adult diapers. All right, guys, so remember when I was telling you that when you come to these conferences, you get inside the rooms, and rooms that you would normally never get to get in? Well, this is Young, the CTO of a multi-billion-dollar company, Alibaba. How's it going?
Good. How are you, Eric?
I'm great. What do you think is the future of the next digital space? What do you think is the next digital product that's going to really pioneer Alibaba.com in this industry?
Well, I really believe in the new AI technology. What is happening with like ChatGPT or Midjourney, the AI GC stuff, and I think that's going to revolutionize the whole experience of like B2B sourcing and the buyer experience overall. So we are investing heavy in that area, and as I announced yesterday, we have a lot of new products coming up that like all our customers can use.
Wow, nice. Lastly, if you had to give one tip or advice to a younger person that's 20 years old, they got their whole future ahead of them, what's the one thing you're going to tell them?
I would say like Eric is a perfect example of an entrepreneur, and I think all the young people are vibrant and full of energy, and the world is limitless. I would say if I want to say anything, it's the world is limitless, and there's huge potential for like realizing your dream, right? So think big, and you can make a dent in the universe.
Cool. Well, I appreciate it, guys. This is the CTO of a multi-billion-dollar company. You got to come to these conferences because you're not going to be able to get into these rooms and meet these guys when you're at Applebee's or TJ Fridays. So come to Alibaba Conference, co-create. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up here at Alibaba with Co-Create. That's their conference. If you want to come and try to find factories, I don't necessarily think that this is the trade show for you. However, if you want to grow, you want to talk to smart people, you want to get in the rooms with the CFO, the CTO of Alibaba, then you need to invest money and you need to come in here. Thank you so much to Alibaba for having us. That's going to be a wrap. We're going to catch you next time.